Everyone, we have gathered here today for the third day of a short 3-day workshop on self-defense. Before we begin, let's understand what does self-defense mean. Self-defense training not only helps you protect yourself but others too. Plus, this training helps you become physically and emotionally fit. Having the ability to defend yourself increases your self-esteem and boosts your confidence. Benefits like these only add to the reason to learn self-defense. It also helps in cases of violence, as there are many that go unreported. Such incidents make learning self-defense imperative day by day. Before we begin, let's know a little about our special guest. Mr. Pradeep Verma has been honored as the National Taekwondo Champion. Sir is a gold medalist in kickboxing at All India level. Mr. Verma is a South Asian silver medalist in karate. He is a grade A referee in Karate Association of India and 5th Dan black belt in karate. He has an experience of more than 35 years and has trained over 1 lakh students in karate and self-defense techniques. He has also taken an exclusive training in Israeli martial arts, Kapat and Krav Maga. We are proud to have you here with us, sir. It is indeed a great honor. We request you now to guide us in self-defense.
Jai Hind! That's it. So first of all, I am thankful to Sister Principal who invited me here. Self-defense actual में कितना जरूरी है? So निर्भया जब केस हुआ था, तो हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने बोला था कि now we are going to compulsory in all the schools. और काफी कुछ उसमें उनको सहायता मिली, लेकिन बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेते हैं. So what is happening? Anything happen with you? Most of the cases I have seen, I have watching movie, I am watching TV, और ये जो इस पे टीवी पे आते हैं सीरियल्स वगैरह, क्राइम पेट्रोल, मैं I have seen most of the cases में ऐसा होता है कि कुछ भी होता है आपके साथ में, you are not going to tell anyone. Is it happening or not? Are you sharing with your family members? So from today onwards, children, you need to understand, anything happen, okay, if you find it is not good, you need to share with your family members. So what you understand कि जब भी ऐसा कुछ होता है, you need to share with your family members, your teacher or your like brother, sister और जिससे भी आप share कर सकते हो, to whom with you are comfortable. Getting it? So this is one thing. Second thing, what you need to understand, like बच्चे अभी कुछ कह रहे थे कि आपको अलर्ट रहना चाहिए. So first of all, you need to understand कि जब भी आप जा रहे हैं, okay, so most of the cases ऐसा होता है कि that you are careless, you are going out, अपने घर से निकले, you are not watching what is happening, and might be there is someone who is following you or watching you every day. That day he is going to get the right situation, he is going to catch you. Okay, so you need to be alert and active. अपने surroundings notice करना है, okay, active रहना है. और most of the time ऐसा होता है कि that someone is trying to touch you and you are saying leave it. So today onwards, you are going to either you are going to take action or you are going today you are going to learn self-defense, verbal self-defense. So you are going to use it. Okay, what is verbal self-defense? There are two kinds of self-defense. One is हाथ पैर चलाना, second is verbal self-defense. Okay, so verbal self-defense क्या है? अगर आपको एक्शन नहीं लेना है, तो आप चिल्ला के भी काम कर सकते हो. Okay, like someone is here. Suppose Mansi is here. Okay, she is coming, and I know that something is going to happen or something wrong is going to happen, और मानसी टच करके अगर वहां से जा रही, so what I have to do? Verbal self-defense use करना है. Okay, so if she is coming and I am saying थोड़ा पीछे हटे, फिर मुझे भी फिर भी पता लगा, so stop. Okay, so what you are going to do? आवाज, आपका जो voice है उसको तेज करना है. Okay. So it should be like this. आपका body and mind prepare रहेगा. You need to say stop. So अगर आपने एक बार ऐसा किया, चिल्लाए जोर से, one, आपका जो enemy है, आपका जो opponent है, he is going to understand that something wrong is going to happen और कुछ तो भी होने वाला है. So either he will walk away or फिर उसके बाद next आपको जो सिखाएंगे आज, you can use that. Okay. Second thing, what are the points? कहाँ आपको attack करना है? In case if you want to attack और अपने आप को बचाना है, सामने वाले को चोट पहुंचाना है, so कहाँ attack करना है? That you need to understand. So first sensitive point कौन से body के? So first we start from here. So like you can और आपको अपना बचाना भी है. Someone अगर आपका फाइट होता है so you can hold. Okay. Then next साइड में अगर आप कान पे और इस पार्ट पे अटैक करते हैं so definitely within seconds you will get the result. This part and ear. Okay. Also sensitive point. Next in some cases you can hit on nose also. Okay. But if you see boxing वाले जो होते हैं उनका नाक strong होता है. But पंच और उसकी प्रैक्टिस तो हमें करनी है, सो डायरेक्टली मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा. नेक्स्ट इज दिस पार्ट. दिस इज आल्सो सेंसिटिव. अगर आपने हिट किया जोर से so you will get the result. After that you can hit on groin or you can hit on knee. See, अगर आपको किसी का नी ब्रेक करना है, for that you require 13 kg weight. तो अगर पावर से आपने हिट किया so he cannot stand on his leg. Yeah. So this is second thing कि attack कहाँ करना है. Third thing, whenever you are talking a stranger, so there should be some distance. कितना दूर खड़े होना चाहिए सबको? Because see, जब भी आप अगर distance नहीं होगा so how you are going to protect yourself? Action लेने के लिए भी तो आपको require रहेगा. So what should be the distance? कितना दूरी होनी चाहिए? बताओ जल्दी. Okay, is it fine? Is it fine? So, is it fine? So from today onwards, you need to see there should be some comfortable gap. Okay, there might be one step gap. So if someone is coming to catch you, you can go back. Okay, chalo, watch it. Stretch your body first. ऐसे डाउन. एक बार और. चेंज. नेक्स्ट स्ट्रेच करो. सेकेंड साइड. आई एम श्योर आप लोग सब करते हो गए ये एक्सरसाइज. ओके. नेक्स्ट. ओके. नाउ वॉच इट. यू नीड टू डू स्टार जंप. बैंड और फिर फर्स्ट वॉच इट. देख लो सब. ऐसे बैंड करना है. I need to stretch it. Okay. Bend down fast. 1. Again. Don't laugh. 2. Body stretch करना है. Bend down. 3. 4. Okay. Back. So put your left leg at the back. Left. And your hands close to your body. Yes, this way. We'll do finger strike. Your finger should be like this. Watch it. Tight. Yeah? Not like this. Stretch it. Okay. Now, 1 and up. Second. Attack face level. ऊपर eyes पे attack करना. Back. Your thumb should be close to your. Yes. And fingers ऐसे होनी चाहिए. Back. 1. अभी sound निकालना है सबको. Sound निकालना है सबको. तो क्या बोलेंगे अगर किसी को रोकना है? So what we say? Stop. Okay. अभी इंग्लिश में बोला नहीं समझ में आया तो अटैक तो कर ही देना उसको. Okay. So need to hit. फोर्स के साथ. One thing you need to remember, जो लैग आगे उस हाथ को यूज करना है ब्लॉक के लिए, जो लैग पीछे उस हैंड को यूज करना है अटैक के लिए. So you will get power. Okay? चलो. We'll do it with number 1. ऊपर फेस लेवल पे, आईज लेवल पे कर. Back. Louder. 2. Back. 3. Second side, same. 1.
Loudly.
2. 3. 4. Change. Direct on legs or this part. Okay. So your hand should be like this. Watch it. This way. We call it tiger pose. Okay. Again, ready position. हाथ इधर रखो बॉडी के पास. Yes. 1. Back. जो फ्रंट लैग है उस हाथ को आप यूज करेंगे ब्लॉक के लिए. गेटिंग इट? और जो पीछे वाला हाथ है, पीछे वाला लैग, उस साइड से आप अटैक करेंगे. क्या? ओके. 1. फेस लेवल. बैक. 2. Now with jerk and louder sound. Yeah? Okay. 1. Back. 2. हाथ ऊपर आएगा. फेस बचाना है ना. टाइट. बस इधर नोज के सामने रखो. Yes. Now kick on knee. Directly you will left hand hit. Okay. No need to bend. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. You will directly hit like this. You are wearing shoes. उठा के kick attack करना है knee के ऊपर. Okay. So ready position again. Fast, fast, fast. Forward knee bend. Yes. Slow practice first. 1. Directly. 2. knee level पे ही उठा. हाथ किधर रहेंगे? This way. अलग. 2. Change. Second leg. Like if someone is holding your hand. So one is simple. See in this case also most of the time ऐसा होता है friendly उसमें आपका किसी ने आपके friend ने someone is holding your hand and even your brother. और कितनी बार ऐसा होता है you don't want to talk or unnecessary आप उसको वो नहीं करना चाहते हो entertain. So in this case you need to only free your hand and then you can go away. Okay, this is one thing. अभी free कैसे करना? There are 2 techniques. Power वैसे तो बहुत सारी टेक्निक है but simple way and powerful attack. Okay, so this is one way. आप यहाँ साइड में अटैक करेंगे and you will use this part, palm attack. ऐसे जोर से अटैक करेंगे and you will free your hand. Watch it first, then you will do it with partner. And second attack, you need to take a small step and use this part to hit here. Okay, so this is technique 2. If someone is holding your both the hands this way, so you need to hold his hand and then kick on knee. आपको उसका हाथ पकड़ना है. If someone is holding your hand, so you need to hold his hand, then kick on knee. Yes. Next, if someone is grabbing your collar, so your hands are here. क्या कर सकते हो आप? You need to hold his hand and hit on face directly. It should be on 1 count. Okay. Yes. Is it clear, everyone? Now you need to hit. ऐसे हिट करना है जोर से और साउंड निकालना है. Go. जोर से हिट करना है, पावर से हिट करना है और साउंड नहीं निकालना है जोर से. ओके. अगेन एक ही नंबर पे होगा. ये होल्ड किया पार्टनर नहीं. आप हाथ लाओगे जोर से. Go. ओके. नेक्स्ट पावरफुल अटैक. अगेन उधर वाले होल्ड करेंगे. 1. यू नीड टू टेक अ स्मॉल स्टेप. आगे बढ़ना है और जोर से अटैक करना है. 2. स्टॉप. ओके. अगेन Again. Same technique. पीछे वाला लेग आगे लाओगे. You need to take a small step. और see, ये जो आपका forearm वाला पार्ट है उधर से हिट करना है. You need to use your bone. One count bone with sound. Go. Very good. Power से. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Same side. Now collar gripping. Okay. Your hands are here. One. Hold. Same side. Now attack with other hand. 2. Okay. Now watch it. You need to do it on one count. Watch it. What? It should be on one attack. एक हाथ से एक ही नंबर पे करना है. एक हाथ से रोकना और दूसरे हाथ से अटैक करना है. ओके. चलो अभी मैं नंबर बोलता हूँ. 1 उधर वाले ग्रैब करो और सेकंड साइड वाले एक ही टाइम पे अटैक करेंगे विद साउंड. गो. वेरी गुड. 1 फिर से एक बार और करना है. 1 होल्ड करो. सब लोगों को ग्रैब करना है. पीछे. हाँ. माय साइड गर्ल्स. 1 काउंट अटैक with louder sound. Go! That's it. Now, see. Yes, this way. So you have multiple point to attack. Okay, so first your hands are free. So directly you can hit here and knee से आप attack कर सकते हो. Okay, so we'll do it. 1, 2 अटैक. दोनों कान के ऊपर अटैक करना है और फिर नी से अटैक. गो. ओके, we'll do it one more time with number. 1. अभी साउंड निकालना है जोर से. 2. ओके. Now same with second side. हाथ मजबूत करने वाली एक्सरसाइज for your arms. Okay. So if someone is pushing you from back, so how you will fall down? वो वाली टेक्निक करनी है. अगर किसी ने आपको धक्का दिया इंटेंशनली, बिकॉज क्या होता है जब मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ऐसा होता है कि अगर आप गिरोगे तो फिर नेचुरल सी बात है यू कैन फाइट. ओके. सो इन दिस केस समवन विल ट्राई टू push you or to throw you. So in this case अगर किसी ने आपको धक्का दिया जोर से तो कैसे वो करना है उसकी भी प्रैक्टिस हम करते हैं. ओके. ऐसे तो बहुत सारी टेक्निक है हम जो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, बट इन शॉर्ट जो आप सीख सकते हो विच इज गुड फॉर यू वो आपको सीखना है. ओके. सो वॉच इट फॉर. So okay, now if your nose is clear और face ठीक है, so you can ready for fight. यहाँ से आप अटैक कर सकते हो. Okay, और you can get up fast. But you need to fall down like this. अगर आप एक बार डायरेक्ट ऐसे गिरे, so you can't do anything. है? तो आपको घर पे ये प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. 1, 2, 3 और you can do push up. So मसल्स आपकी अच्छी हो जाएगी, मजबूत हो जाएगी. ओके. आई एम श्योर जो भी आपने प्रैक्टिस की है यू विल कंटिन्यू इट. कितने लोग कंटिन्यू करने वाले हैं? ये सब ध्यान है, कोई नहीं करेगा. ओके, गुड. सो आपने इंटरेस्ट लिया, आपने प्रैक्टिस किया. आई एम श्योर यू विल डू इट एट होम. 1, 2 as I used to talk and say or suggest, every day you need to spend some time for yourself. Okay, for your body, for your fitness. So try to spend 20, 25 or 30 minutes every day. And trust me, it is going to pay you entire life. अगर आपने ऐसा नियम बनाया कि आप 20-25 मिनट 30 मिनट्स एक्सरसाइज करो तो पूरी लाइफ आप फिट रहने वाले हो.
We are proud to have you here with us, sir. It is indeed a great honor. Thank you, sir. I now request Mr. Principal to to enlighten us with her words of wisdom.
So first of all, I would like to express our gratitude to Pradeep Sharma and Mansi Padak for their valuable time with us here. And I'm sure may not be 100%, at least 25% you paid attention to it and you got it something. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I can conclude?
Yes.
Okay. So that 25%, if you really got it, that itself is good, because we still have time to learn. And this technique what Sir taught you today, I am sure it will help you some or the other. It's not that someone is going to attack you all the time, but something which gives you a self-confidence. That will boost our self-confidence that I am able to move freely without any fear. So along with this technique, you need to be, first of all, a person who listens. Another thing is a person who observes, an observant. Then, once you have these two, then your action will be quick. So that quickness is very important, because while the time you think, the other side the action will take place otherwise. So that's why the observation and the quick reaction is very important, and that is the appropriate time and appropriate place. Now this technique also taught you or just explained to you just now. You may practice, but with a great care and cautiousness. First, just now don't get out in your group and begin to practice this without knowing the impact of it. Is it clear for all of you? Okay, you may practice gently, but we will practice with effect when the appropriate or when the conducive time arises. So, wish you all the best.
I now request Mr. Principal to present a token of our gratitude to Mr. Pradeep Verma. This artwork has been specially created by our Fine Arts Department.